You all saw Hind Rajab, 6 years old in her car. You all heard the audio, you amplified it. She was 6. She calls the Red Crescent and she says, I'm scared, I'm stuck in the car. They said, where's your family? She said, I'm surrounded by their corpses, they're dead. He tries to read Quran to her, he tells her, reassure her, we will send the ambulance. The genociders were so merciless. When the ambulance turned up 24 hours, the tanks blew up the ambulance. Hind, 6 years old, died alone, surrounded by the corpses of her family. Sidra, Sidra, Sidra was playing with her cousin running on the roads. They told them, go to the south, we won't touch the south. But they lied. The liars, they lied. They bombed the north and then bombed the south. Sidra, because of you, you showed the world. She was hanging from the wall with her legs blown off.